Up the Radical family. Today, me, my dad, and Teddy are gonna go get some lunch in Los Lunas. It's like a 11-mile drive. That's where all the food places are. There's only like, where I live there's only like Sonic, McDonald's, Circle K. I'll say to eat, but we're gonna be going to Los Lunas to get something good to eat. Me, my dad, and the Tedsters. So let's. Caddy corner, or quarter of the caddy, and we're gonna go to Burger King, try it out. Been there before, it's pretty good. They sell burgers, if you didn't know.
One is one of those burgers that I always get, the rodeo burger, fries, and a value drink. Value fries, value drink, rodeo.
You don't want to get the $5
shit? No, because it's way more.
Okay. Can I get the rodeo burger, a value fries, and a value drink?
What kind of drink?
Coke.
A Coke.
Coke?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
Can I get 2 cheeseburgers?
Okay.
Value cheeseburgers?
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
Another quick, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
You like the cheeseburger?
Oh, thank you.
You like the cheeseburger? Oh, thank you for the keys.
Oh, we only got one.
Oh, you only got one?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Sweet, got an extra Coke from Burger King. Can't go wrong with that.
Here. No, it's fine. Brother's gonna give you a bite. That's I've been giving them to him. Hey, Ted. Ted.
Okay.
I love fries, Ted.
Fries.
That ketchup, you know, that just pushes it over the edge a little bit. Oh, my turn. My turn. My turn. Yeah, my turn.
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Come on, dude. Dad's got fries. Hey. Oklahoma, I'm gonna get the car. I need to get the motor, and I was gonna either A, have it shipped to Oklahoma, put it.
Finished Burger King. It was pretty good. We usually get Burger King. My dad got the rodeo burger, and I got the regular cheeseburger. Sometimes I like the rodeo burger too. It's a burger with the onion ring on it and some barbecue sauce, so it's pretty good. Ted got some of my burger, and he got some fries. And all right, we're gonna burn weed today. Today they're putting a greenhouse together. Boltz in now. It's a greenhouse. Not like that one. It's gonna be a little bit different, but we're in it right now. The frame is up. They're gonna be doing, that's where the wet wall would go. And then they're gonna be doing where the fans go and a door frame. These bolts put in all the way down. Makes it more sturdy. And my best friend. Got the job done all the way from here all the way down. Mucho good. Bueno.